One of the best innovations that solves complex problems in industry and design is porous cast aluminum. It retains the strength of aluminum with half the weight and has a more efficient heat exchange. The most unique property of this material is its porous structure that allows the full penetration of liquids and gases, which opens up a wide range of uses. Our clients are already using its special properties to create products for gases and liquid filtration, heat exchange, pneumatic transport, thermoforming, vacuum tables, and decoration and design. It's even used in the aerospace industry, as well as for lightweight structures and noise reduction. With controlled manufacturing technologies, Elmiz is able to create any shape in any pore size and combine it with solid aluminum to give you the characteristics you desire. Your final product will be made of metal air, strong, heat-resistant, non-toxic, and a noise-absorbing material for your most demanding needs. Let your ideas become a reality with porous cast aluminum, Cool Alume, a material of new opportunities.